So let me give you an update on the frame. I haven't made a video in a while. Been working on it, but on the bike, but haven't done any videos. The video doesn't seem that popular. It's a pretty exclusive audience who likes strange things like this. But I want to update you on what I've done so far. So here I mounted the jack shaft mounts. I reinforced the frame here to triangulate this suspension part so that when it puts pressure here, it's translated here, and all this is triangulated. Also here to reinforce this, I put the seat bracket here with triangulation so that it's rigid, more rigid there. And that's about it. So let me put this back together and show you what it looks like when it's together. Okay? Okay, so here's how it looks when it's back together. You can see the jack shaft and how that is situated. I'll turn it around so you can see the other side. The other side has the sprocket on it, and the chain is just kind of laying up there because I need to cut it to length, and still waiting for a few parts to come in. But get a look at it, how the jack shaft comes across, and of course it needs to be, trimmed here and here to make it the right length. Here's how it looks. Here's how it looks on the opposite side with the jack shaft here, chain to sprocket. One of the things I had to do too, in order to clear the chain, I had to add this little cutout that allows the chain to pass through the swing arm. And I'll clean all this up later, but you can see, get this out of the way. You can see how that allows the chain to go through there. So that had to be done also. But it's coming along pretty nicely. You guys like and subscribe, and I'll add more videos. Probably the next video, it'll be close to done. I'm just waiting for parts. I need the throttle, waiting for that. Figuring out the braking system, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. It'll probably just have hub brakes for the first iteration, which will make it interesting. So like and subscribe and check it out. So this is just a quick little update on the Motorized Mountain bike.